G'day everyone and welcome to another episode of Drew's Adventures. Now this place is mostly untouched, which is just fantastic. So I'm going to take you for a wander through it. Beautiful old chair here. Oh, I love this entrance. Check out the lamp. Wow. That is beautiful. Now this place is up for demolition. It's going to become high-rise apartments. It's interesting, that poster there. And Banca Catalana. Catalonia in Spain. Oh wow, this is cool. Whoop, hit my head. Perils of being tall. Another one of these beautiful old chairs here. Now, the sounds you'll hear is the wind in the background. But have a look at this gorgeous cabinet. Look at that. And inside of it are these quite beautiful little statues. Check these out. Wow. Gorgeous plaster centerpiece here on the roof. And I like the cornices. Some good design. There's a calendar here from 2025. It hasn't been abandoned all that long, this place. Let's check out the kitchen. Not bad at all. Love these pearl lamps. Quite pretty. What remains of the bathroom here. Sadly smashed up a fair bit. Another massive bathroom here for this main bedroom. Connects through. Oh yeah. Check out the very 70s style towel rack, I suppose. Faux marble. Left the mattress behind in this little bedroom. Check out the lights. The lights are probably one of the best features in this home. Another large bathroom. I like how the bathtub's got this little elevated spot where you could probably sit your iPad or something along those lines, and check out those mirrors. Now, that is cool. That is such a retro lampshade. Head back downstairs and check the other side out. There's unit 2. So this is a little common area here. How awesome is this? A shared bar. I like that. Beautiful pool table. Unit 2. Beautiful furnishings. Oh, this kitchen's definitely more of an up-to-date kitchen. Now I wonder if that's real marble. Let's have a feel. Is it cold? Sort of. Real marble's very, very cold. I think it's a marble substitute. A Miele dishwasher. Oh, look at this gorgeous ceiling rose. And the lampshades. Wow. I hope they keep these. I think the lampshades in both of these units so far have been quite beautiful. Look at that gorgeous tinted glass. That would have been something quite difficult to make, perhaps. Not sure if they mass produce, but they don't seem to look like that mass produced style. Now that'd be an electric fireplace, that one, I'm pretty sure. What remains of the light shade in here, light in here. Beautiful etched glass. Check out the cornicings here, folks. Nicely done. Another ginormous bathtub and very large sink basin. Nondescript bedroom. And another. Here's once again the ensuite for the master bedroom, which is here. And my goodness, check out these old wardrobes and drawers. I'm just trying to see if they're hand painted. No. Chandelier on its last legs by the looks. The National Air Conditioning wall unit, a CW202PH. Love how much natural light comes in to the stairwell. It's quite nice. Pretty nice little laundry. I like the tiling. Check it out. Beautiful. Oh, look at this, a spa bath. Spa tub. That looks great. A couple of other artifacts in this place that have been left behind. We have this print. It's a pretty cool old chair. I love the old stickers up there. How cool is that? Have a look at the little garden. Nice plant collection. Look at that beautiful balcony. That would have been a great spot to entertain. That pretty much wraps up this place, folks. A couple of old school units that are soon going to be no more, unfortunately. Lost to a multi-storey development.